Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kobe and this is SkyTech Digital. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to embed this PDF into your um, your posts or your pages, okay, whereby users can be able to come over here and then scroll through the PDF. If they like it, it's more or less like a book, okay. If they like it, they can decide to download it over here, or to click on this one to download, or to even print it out, okay. Now of course you can also see all the pages from this side, okay. So this is just a PDF reader inside your website, okay. You can use the list, the topic by topic side list, okay, to be able to glance through the PDF, okay. Now you can also use this side to also be able to glance through the book itself, okay. So it is very very useful whenever you have a book, or something that you want to give to your customers, and then you want them to be able to read it before they can be able to download it, okay. Now of course, if you don't want them to download it, you can also remove the download from it, okay. But PDFs are definitely, so far as there is a reader in it, then somebody can be able to also download it by all means, okay. But I will show you all those things, how you can be able to remove this download from there, and then also link this one to the PDF itself, so that when somebody clicks on it, it will send the person to the website PDF reader itself, just like a every normal website. The person can be able to see the whole book itself from here, and then can be able to download this one from here, okay. So let's go jump into the video, and then I'll show you how you can be able to do this step by step. Now if you are new over here, I would like you to like and subscribe to the channel. Please help us to grow together. I've been giving you guys content back to back, so I expect you to also like and subscribe to the channel for me. If you haven't, okay, just do that for me, okay. Now, so that we grow together. Now let's go straight to the dashboard. And then the amazing thing is, we are not going to install any plugin, okay. Now remember the last video I did, what happened was I showed you guys how you can be able to use a flipbook, okay, just like this one over here. So how you can be able to insert a flipbook into your website. Now this time around, it is just a PDF, okay. It is just a book that have a PDF reader, okay, not a flipbook. It is just a book that will have a PDF reader inside your poster page. Now what we are going to do is, it is the Gutenberg blog have that kind of embed function, okay, or WordPress have that kind of embed function, whereby you can embed books into your into PDFs into your website, and then the reader itself will bring the book out to life for your users, okay. So to be able to have that thing done, now we're going to create a post, okay. So, or you can use it on post or pages, okay, anyhow you want to use, but we're going to use post, okay. So I'm going to click on add new post to add a new post. Now I'm going to title this one exams reading book, okay. So I'm just going to give some exams reading book, okay, to some people. And then what I'm going to do is you can write your notes that you want to write on it, but I'm going straight to the point, and then inserting the PDF. So what I will do is I'll just click over here and then search for file, okay. So make sure you search for file, this one over here, click on it, and then we're going to upload our file. So of course I have my file uploaded on the media library already, so I'll click in the media library. Now if you don't have it, you can go ahead and then upload your file into it. Now as you can see, I have this PDF over here, okay. That is what I want to use, so I can click on it and then select it, okay. Now when I select it, you see it has already embedded. It is just like you embedding a video from YouTube into your website. It has already embedded for us, okay. The embed function is working perfectly for us, okay. So now that we have this one done, now you can decide to give a title to your your book. Okay, so let me say I'm going to give a title like, let's say, exams reading book. Okay, just like I gave this. So that is the file name that I'm going to give. So I'm going to say exam reading book. Okay, reading, no double R. Okay, so exam reading book. Okay, so that is what I'm going to give to this name. Now if you go to the block over here, you can check out the settings for the for the PDF. Okay, so what do you want? So it says show PDF, show inline embed. Okay, so now you can decide to show it or disable it. Okay, so if you don't want to show it, you can disable it. If you want to show it, you can you can show it. Okay, and then the height in pixels. Okay, so the height of of this book. Okay, so the height, what is the height that you want to give it? So this one says 600. Okay, so now let me just reduce it over here, and then you see that 50%, the 600 is from here to to here. Okay, now let's say I want to give it, let's say, 800. Okay, so now if I increase the percentage over here, you realize that the 800 is more or less even too small. Okay, so let's say 900. Okay, so now I have the full height in view. Okay, so people can be able to view it the way they want it. Okay, so you can increase the height or you can reduce the height depending on how you want users to be able to have access to your book. But I'm going to still give it the 600. Okay, the 600, so that when somebody clicks over here, the person can reduce this one to 50% and still have the fair view of the whole book itself. Okay, so click over here, you see it, click over here, you see it, and then you can even use the list thing over here, and then it also work for you. Okay, so the writing model, the top 20 text, taking tips. Okay, so text taking tips over here, you can be able to also see it. Okay, so basically that is how you can be able to insert it. Now that you have it done, now let's go to the text link. Okay, so what does the text link do? Now of course the text link is this one. Okay, it is linking the text. Now it is linking to the media itself. That is the whole media itself. So you can decide to link it to the page. Okay, so to the page itself, so that when somebody clicks on it, it will still bring the person back to the page. Okay, it wouldn't take the person to the media. And then the download button, if you want to show the download button, you can show it. If you want to disable it, you can also disable it. Okay, it all depends on it all depends on you. Now you can also go to the advanced and then write some HTML anchor CSS classes for it if you know what you are doing. Okay, but then that is it. That is how you can be able to add it. Just publish it over here. Of course you can also give a featured image for your post. Okay, so now if you go ahead and then view our post in a new link, you see that our PDF is embedded very nicely into our post. So as you can see, we have our PDF embedded very nicely into our post. So I can either reduce the size of it, okay, so that I can have a fair idea of what I am reading. Now if I click over here, what is going to happen? It's going to rotate the PDF for me. Okay, so as you can see, it is rotating for me. So basically that is how you can be able to embed a PDF into your website for free without using any plugin. Okay, thank you for watching, and I hope this video will help you to be able to upgrade your web designing skills with more functionalities on your website. See you in the next video. Bye bye.